in the Caribbean. And those warm waters fuel the
Live, very
energy.
special,
They are what drive
scientific climate change.
Storms. And one of the things that we've seen in recent years,
important,
when you have extremely high sea surface temperatures,
substantial about Hurricane Alyssa, Jamaica, weather, UK 25, perfect at the right side screen. Times on the right.
Relatively weak tropical storm.
It's 28th October, Tuesday evening, guys, 2025.
Hours or so. And we saw several cycles of rapid intensification with this storm. This is a recurring pattern. Part of the problem is when these storms intensify that quickly, suddenly you're dealing with something very different from what you might have thought you would be dealing with. And so it's very difficult to prepare and to...
It's 20 minutes past 20 p.m. in the evening, 10 minutes past 8 p.m. in the evening.
Suddenly dealing with a monster storm. I would have to correct the gentleman earlier. He said, well, we've been through this before. Unfortunately,
Cuba now.
Jamaica hasn't. This is the strongest hurricane to ever hit Jamaica. And we are all very worried about the consequences, both in terms of the damage that those unprecedented winds will do, and also the extreme flooding that is going to come with this storm. Warm oceans mean more moisture in the atmosphere, more flooding. And so in many ways, climate change is amplifying the effects of this storm.
I predicted it a week ago or so earlier this year. I predicted it earlier this year. Gulf of Mexico. I knew it would be quite a bad one this year. It's the Caribbean Sea and I guess
It's
Mexico.
About 1.5 degrees Celsius warmer than what you might call average, where average
Whoa, that's hot, man.
A few decades ago. And even that average is already warmer than what conditions were prior to industrialization. So depending on how you define it, more than a degree Celsius warmer. Certainly climate change has led to at least a 1 degree Celsius, nearly 2 degree Fahrenheit warming of the ocean in that region.
It's tense, man.
And for each degree Celsius warming of the ocean surface, empirically, you see about a 10% increase in those maximum sustained winds.
Please subscribe to my channel. I'm Simon A. Gems on YouTube.
Third power of
That's
those
the right
winds.
side
So that 10% increase in wind speed means a roughly 33% increase in destructive potential.
Wow. Please subscribe to my channel, Simon Gems.